this is just very brief, and I'll just give you a really 5 minutes for the half day that we're doing with Ecobricks. Because our advocacy is really doing proper eco-bricking, just like this one, that you can throw it away and then it's really hard. Okay? So a lot of people doesn't really know the effects. And it's good that you, Chin, was able to really have a close encounter with the dolphin, and it's really amazing. Okay, and then this is the killer. This is what we really teach them. We teach them the waste profile of the household. Because apparently, upon all my travel all over the Philippines, it's so sad that people do not know the exact classification of waste. So, okay, biodegradable, very simple. And then the recyclable, we always tell them that it's the one that's going to the junk shop. Otherwise, it's not going to the junk shop, then it is called residual. So, these are the things that are really bothers them. That's why they do not know how to segregate the waste. And we cannot blame them. They're not being educated. And in fact, when we presented this with the, in Batangas province, we have all the members attending. And then, can we have your presentation material? Okay, fine, that's free. You can always use that for your IEC. So this is, the Ecobricks is just a temporary or just an immediate solution. This is a stopgap measure. Hopefully, we are not going to do Ecobricks in our lifetime. We don't want that to happen. And, you know, I don't have any attachment on this, and there's a time that we're not going to do this. Okay, fine. So there are two types of Ecobricks. We have the normal Ecobricks, which is like this one, that's really very hard. And then the other one is the ocean Ecobricks. So after your ocean cleanup, what do you do with the plastics? What do? You throw it away to the landfill. Our purpose is to lessen the residuals going to the landfill. So we will just like, okay, throw away our plastic, the sanitary napkins, the diapers, and all this stuff. But then the rest, we can put it here. Because this is a no-fuss. I'll show you later. I think if you will have a takeaway, we'll show you how to do the ocean Ecobricks. Okay? I have started it already. For this one, it can be wet, but not really the messy one. The messy one, like the ones coming from the market, can be thrown away na as residual. But then so as much as possible, less na good ang plastic. So there are two plastic classifications that we're using, the soft plastic and the hard plastic. So the soft plastic, they call it in Manila the plastic labo or the sandbags. So these are the ones, so magic up. And then the hard plastics, all this stuff, that's hard plastic. In the normal Ecobricks, you usually cut them. This one, the hard plastic, but the soft plastic, you don't cut them anymore. You just tear it like this one. You just tear it. So whenever we give seminars, we always provide them with a logistics checklist. Usually we recommend same brand, same bottle, and these are the bottles. When we do training, we recommend 500 ml or smaller because it will take you like days for you to compact that 1.5 liters. The most important thing that we introduce is how do you plan your Ecobricks project, because like there's one who shared what they have done, and then they were doing Ecobricks in 4-liter gallons. The ideal size is up to 1.5-liter bottles, I'm sorry to say, for those who are really stocking it in big summit. And then this one was done by the one who's doing the marathon, the Ironman last year, not this year, 2018, yeah, 2018. And then this one is in Centro office. When we started this, actually they were already doing Ecobricks in CIS. What happened was that they do not know that there's a certain compactness and weight that they need to follow. So we teach them how to do it properly, and then they started doing it this way. So they have this coffee table, and then this one in Calatrava. So this one is another version of the Ecobricks furniture in Bali, Indonesia. That's where the Global Ecobricks Alliance is based. And then this one is a school in Rizal, where we really had it. And then they were featured in Swak na Swak. And then this is the material recovery facility that they have done. And inside, they have their segregation. Okay, this is another one in Marikina. An MRF, and can you imagine how big it is? Remember how many sacks of plastic for its bottle? 1 sack. So how many sacks of plastic is in there? And then, okay, this is the inside of that, and then the other one is the display booth. Okay, and then some can really do it like this. Actually, that can be done with the Ocean Ecobricks also. That one. Tacloban, with your group, they did this. I think they were needing 32,000 pieces of the Ecobricks 1.5 liters, and then this is what they need, and they cannot even buy it. Okay, so this is the Ecobricks making process. Okay, so this is for the normal Ecobricks. I'll just spare, it's just cleaning. It has to be really clean and dry for this one, but for the Ocean Ecobricks, don't need to clean it. Cutting, you only cut this, like, for this one, you have to really cut it small. But then, for the Ocean, you can cut it, later I'll show. And then stuffing. You use this kind of stick, and then you press it on the sides. Okay? The most important factor is the compactness. Kinahanglan, wala jud siya, no cracking. To really start at the bottom with the soft plastic. And then you weigh it. So for each one, let's say for each 1.5 liter, it's 525 grams or half kilo, more than half kilo. It can go more. Okay? And then so this is the whole stuffing and packing technique that which I personally created for the normal Ecobricks, Okay. And then, now for the Ocean, this is what can I have some volunteers to do this? This is actually already done. Okay, what you do is you get, what's this? You get 2 bottles, 2 empty bottles, 1 liter above. So you cut the other one, like, what's this? 3/4, and then the other one is 1/2. This is already done. This is already compact. Ay, meron pang ang gamay. And then kung asa na siya, dito mo na siya. I-press. Push. So you push it dito sa, may naapay mga spaces. So another one, asa pa na ay space. Yeah. Ayaw lang pag i-crumple. Lang. Okay, para ma-push ang mga hard plastic. That's the secret to making it really compact. What's this? The soft plastic. So, okay, example, this is already done. This one has to be full, talagang puno jud ing ani diri. And then really compact. And then this one, up to here only. Kung asa na siya na ay gap, that's the what's this? That's the portion na usa na siya. When you put it together, so let's put it here. So, kani sa ubos. Okay. And then, you press it. Kana. So, this is how it, thank you. Yan. So, ingani ni siya ang itsura niya. So, you can actually do this at home, di ba? Me personally, I'm doing this because this one is really too tedious. I mean, sige ka lang, kaputol-putol. This one, you can make it like this na. And then, make sure that kaning, the one on top will be going down para dili masudla ng water. Thank you very much. Let's give a big hand.